Let's turn a 1 ounce US Gold Eagle to a coin ring. First step, cut a hole. Before we start anything else, what is that noise in the background? Oh, a whole nother project. Got it. Let's clean up the cut edge that we just made by cutting it out with a deburring tool. Time to anneal this thing and soften it up, get it ready to start bending. Now take a Jason's Works 17-degree die and start to fold this thing into a ring shape. Squish. Squish. More annealing. Every time you bend, you anneal. Is anyone else getting a Mr. Rogers vibe from this video? Good. More annealing. More quenching. Time for the Swedish wrap. 25 wraps with some Teflon tape should do it. Let's squeeze this thing down to a size 8.5. You know what's next, right? You guessed it, more annealing. Time to take our Pepe Tools ring stretcher and stretch this thing up a couple sizes higher than our target size. Now we'll squish it down below our target size to get rid of that cone shape. This should help get that fat tire look we're looking for. All right, let's deburr it back to our target size now. Almost done. Let's get some 4/0 steel wool and get some of this junk off of here. And we're finished. Make sure you guys check out my website, changeyoucanwear.net, and check these guys out along with everything else I do. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.